Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. Often when generating reports such as project updates, users struggle to track details across multiple pages. This can lead to confusion and misinterpretation, causing them to lose track of key data points. Adding headers and footers to a group in a table ensures each page has clear and consistent information, making it easier for users to follow and understand the report's details. In this video, I will show you how to use the Bold Reports Designer to add headers and footers with Tablix groups in an RDL report. This process ensures that each page includes clear and consistent information, helping users to follow and comprehend the report's details easily. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web report designer from the report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server, naming it Headers and Footers, Group Report. Next, I need to create a dataset to use the necessary data in the report. I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. Next, I use none as the authentication type since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset and switch to code mode because I already have the SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Then, click Finish to create a dataset. Before adding the table, let me add a header. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text. And resize it. Change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Sales by Product. Next, I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Now, the header has been added. Next, I need to add a table to display product sales details. I add a table, and then the product name, order quarter, and sales as headers. And format them. I assign their corresponding values in the data row and format them. Next, let me show you how to add a group header and footer. I add grouping to the table so that the values will be grouped based on the selected groups. I choose the table cell and expand details in the row group section. Add a parent group. Select the product category in the group by field. And then enable the Add Header to add a header row to the row group. Next, enable the Add Footer to add a footer row to the group. And save it. Now, a static row will be added above and below the group in the Tablix data region. Then I change it to Product Category. Now, let me format the header and footer cells. I select the header cells and merge these three cells as one. I add the expression to the expression builder to show the header within the Tablix group. Next, I format the footer cells by selecting two footer cells and merging them. Add the expression to the expression builder to show the footer. I then add the sum of sales expression to the value cell. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the sales and sum of sales value cell. and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Once values are assigned to the table, I apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way I format the value row. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to preview from the top panel. You can see headers and footers added with Tablix groups. In this video, I have shown you how to add headers and footers with Tablix groups in an RDL report. The link to a blog containing these steps is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.